Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will discuss about the static method in Java. In my previous lecture we have to discuss about the static variable in Java and static keywords. And first of all we want to know what is static method. If you apply static keyword with any method, this method is called static method. A static method belongs to class rather than object of the class. Static method can invoked without the need for creating an instance of a class. Means if you want to invoke a static method, then you directly write the class name. With the help of dot operator you can access the static method. Let's see with practical here. Here I am using the Eclipse IDE. First I have to click on the file and then new. Take a Java project. Dialog box will display here, and here we need to write my project name, and simply I am write my project name as a static method demo, and click on the next and then finish. My project is displayed under Package Explorer, and simply I have to explore my project here, and then right click on the src. Okay, and take a class. Here we need to write my class name, and simply I write my class name as a class1, and check the public static void main function stubs, and then click on the finish. Class 1 is successfully created with the main method, and I am going to create another class. Again right click on the src, click on the new, and take a class. Again dialog box display here, and we need to write my class name, and giving my class name as a calculator. We don't need to check the main method again because we have already taken the main method in my class 1, and then finish. Okay, my calculator class is created here. Press enter, and here I am going to create the static method int sum, passing to argument x and y and their data type as int, and then press enter and return the value x plus y terminated with semicolon. Okay, look here, this is the static method because here I am applying the static keyword with the sum method, and you take care about that. The static method always take the static data members. It can't take any instance member like this. Suppose that I am declaring another variable x and their data type as z, and their data type as int, and here if I write z and terminated with semicolon calling here z, it's getting error because cannot make a static reference to the non-static field. So the static method always used to make the changes of the value of static variables. If we make this variable z as a static, and after that we call inside the static method and assign the value here. Okay, clear? I have to delete and also delete. So to take care about that, static method always used to change the values of static variables, and static method directly call. They don't need to create the instance of the class. You directly call with the help of class, and with the help of dot operator call the static method. I want to call the sub method into the my class 1 main function, within the main function. So I have to come inside the main function, main method, and here first of all save it, and then come inside the class 1 and main method, and then I'm declaring a variable int r equal calculator dot sum, and passing here the argument 20 and 10, two arguments. Look here, I'm direct using here the class name and then dot operator and calling the static method sum, passing to argument 20 and 10. After addition, the sum method return the integer value, so I have to store this value into the r variable, and with the help of this statement I will display the result onto the screen. Okay, and save it. Here within the double quote I have to write the result and then concatenate with the r variable, and if you want to space, then you write double quote and provide the space. Okay, and save it, and right click on the project and then run as Java application. Okay, the result is 30 display onto the console. So one thing is that if you make any method as static, or you apply the static keyword with the methods, then you don't have need to create the instance of that class to calling that method. You simply write the class name, with the help of dot operator you can easily call the static method. And if you are passing the argument, then in my case I am passing the 2 argument and return the integer value, and this value stored into the r variable, and with the help of this statement I have to print the result onto the screen with the help of r variable. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.